I've got a person in my closet. I've got a person in my closet. I've got a person in my closet. Too weak to handle myself out there, huh, mother? Well, tell that to my frying pan. Ow, ow, ouch. Rapunzel, lay down your hair. Oh, one moment, mother. I have a big surprise. Oh, I do too. I bet my surprise is bigger. I seriously doubt it. I brought back parsnips and going to make a hazelnut soup for dinner, your favorite surprise. Well, mother, there's something I want to tell you. Oh, Rapunzel, you know I hate to leave you after a fight, especially when I've done absolutely nothing wrong. Okay, I've been thinking a lot about what you said earlier. I hope you're not still talking about the stars. Floating lights, and yes, and we're up to that, because I really thought we dropped the issue, sweetheart. No, mother. You think I'm not strong enough to handle myself out there? Oh, darling, I know you're not strong enough to handle yourself out there. But if you just, Rapunzel, we are done talking about this. Trust me, I know what I'm... Rapunzel? Oh, come on! Enough with the lights, Rapunzel! You are not leaving this tower, ever! Oh, great. Now I'm the bad guy. Well, I was going to say that I know what I want for my birthday now. And what is that? New paint. That paint made from the white shells you once brought me. But that is a very long trip, Rapunzel. Almost 3 days' time. I just thought it was a better idea than stars. I'll be back in 3 days' time. I love you so much, dear. I love you more. I love you more.